building trusting, long-term therapeutic relationships. We are an in-home and community-based rehabilitation program specializing in brain injury recovery. We focus on clients rebuilding lives and integrating them back into their communities, supporting their long-term rehabilitation goals. We provide occupational therapy, physical therapy, speech therapy, case management, recreational therapy, and telehealth. Our culture, customer-centric, not competitor-focused, driven by innovation, relationships matter, committed to the long game, people first always, and pride in our work. We are a relationship-centered and solution-oriented company. We are not a home health agency.
We are a coordinated rehabilitation team
Focused on helping clients rebuild their lives, restore independence, and successfully reintegrate into their families, communities, and daily roles. Our team is with you. NeuroPraxis. Home and community treatment,